You might be used to a sound like this. Now, turn left, now. But as you can see,
just ahead. Turn right.
you can change that, and I'm going to show you how. I'm on a little 10-minute break, by the way. So what you're going to want to do is you want to get to the mapping, and then you're going to want to click this little on-screen button with like 6 squares. There we go. And now we're going to want to go to main menu, and at this point you can go to settings. You should be able to, right there, language and voice. If you're from a different country, you know, you can change it to something you're more comfortable with. Just keep in mind you're going to have to change it back, otherwise whoever's on the route next time is going to be pissed. But if you're more comfortable speaking Spanish or something like that, you can change it to Spanish. Whatever menu you're in, you can just push escape and then get back to this screen. Anyway, that's just the little tutorial. Hopefully this helped you out. This will make it to where you don't get annoyed to where you want to kill yourself because you hear this robot voice like this for like hours and hours in a row. Have a good day. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in a future video. Boop.